Hi guys, welcome back to Swadaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to make your Flipboard account private one. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, go to your Flipboard account. And now you just have to tap the gear icon, that means settings, in the top right of your screen. After that, you just have to tap on edit profile. When you see profile privacy, you have to tap on it and tap the toggle next to private profile. It will be a pop-up for make you sure that you want to make your profile private or not. You can tap on cancel if you change your mind. Now I'm gonna tap on make private. Now my profile is already be a private one. So guys, just it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.